Hey you all, welcome back to yet another video. I hope you guys are all good. On this video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this easy protective natural hairstyle that you can do for work, school or any event. Do join me and I hope you enjoy it. My hair is in a dried out wash and go, so I'm just going to re-moisturize my hair with the black Jamaican castor oil water just to make sure it's easy for me to part and also braid my hair. I'm going to do a middle braid in the front of my hair, so I'm gonna part that hair just into the middle of my head, and then I'm just going to put away the extra hair onto a comb and also a clip just to make sure it doesn't disturb me when I'm braiding the hair. Now if you don't know how to braid, I made sure I make it easy to follow along. Just open 3 small parts into your braid and then crisscross them to the left to the right while holding the hair down and making sure it's tight enough to make a neat braid. I'm going to do this and then I'm just going to use a band just to tie that hair down, because I'm going to untie the rest of the hair when I'm doing the back. I am then going to open another side part and open smaller parts where I am going to do the twist. So to do the twist, I am just going to make sure I braid the hair a bit at the beginning so that it makes the twist nice and neat and you can see the parts. I'm not gonna braid it a lot, I'm just going to do the beginning of the twist. And then when I get to a comfortable place, I just roll the hair and twist it down. I have done 3 twists and I'm gonna do the same on the other side, and then we are done with the front of our hair. We're just going to start working on the back after this. I am then unbraiding the top section of the middle braid. As I said before, that's why we put on a band, and I'm just going to push that to the back. After that, I'm just going to brush the hair to the back. I'm just using a comb because it's going to make it more neater without the frizz, and then I'm just going to fluff out my hair at the back. Using a hair tie, I'm just going to bend my hair around, and then I'm going to push the band a bit far back as far as our braids go. And I'm also not going to make it too tight because we want the back of our updo to be visible and also to be visible from the front. I'm going to secure this hair tie by just clipping it on the sides with some hairpins. Okay, now I'm going to take the third twist, and then I'm gonna clip it to the back. This is gonna create a twisted hairband type of style, so it's gonna look like you have a twisted down hairband, but it's not a hairband, it's just your twist clipped to the sides. I'm clipping them as far as they go, so if you have shorter hair, your hairband might just fade into the top of your hair. After that, I'm just going to smooth down the hair at the back. I told you guys that I had a wash and go, so I'm just pulling the hair down just to smooth it down and made it flatter, and then I'm going to twist it down. I'm going to do these twists all throughout the back of my hair, and I'm not making them too tight. I'm making sure that they are juicy and big so that when we're doing our updo, we'll have a bigger updo bun at the back. There we go. Now I'm going to take hair clips or hairpins and I'm gonna pin all these twists to the back. So I'm basically pinning them on top of each other in the middle of my hair, but I'm also making sure not to create a lot of gaps. So my hand is guiding me to make sure that where there's a twist, there's another twist on top, until all those twists are pinned down and covered. I'll also check in the mirror to see that I do not have a lot of gaps. I'll just keep going through it until I have the desired puff that I want at the back. I'm also making sure it's neat by just moving the hair around, and I will be done after that. I am now basically done with this easy protective natural hairstyle, but now I'm just putting in the finishing touches. You do not have to do this, it's just your preference. So I'm just laying down my edges using gel. I'm also going to be sure to apply the gel at the back. And then I am just going to lay these edges just using a silk scarf if you do have the time. I was just doing my makeup while I was laying it. So now after doing my makeup, it is dried down. It looks so fabulous. I'm going to add accessories just to make this a fun hairstyle to look good. You do not have to add accessories if you do not have, because the hairstyle is absolutely amazing on its own. But these accessories just add some fun to the look. And these are the final results. Quick, easy. I did this literally on my way to church. So it is quick, easy, effortless, and elegant. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you on the next one.